Dear viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel, welcome back to another informative video. Today, we will be discussing a crucial aspect of full-time RV living, filing taxes. Whether you are a seasoned RVer or considering embarking on this exciting lifestyle, it is essential to understand the tax implications and ensure compliance with the IRS. Living as a full-time RVer presents unique challenges when it comes to filing taxes. Many RVers wonder how to establish a legal domicile and what impact it has on their tax situation. The key is to establish a domicile in a state with no income tax or choose a state that offers friendly tax laws for RVers. Once you have determined your domicile, you need to understand the deductions and credits available to you as an RVer. From travel expenses and depreciation of your RV to deductible business expenses if you work from your RV, there are numerous tax benefits specific to the RV lifestyle. It's vital to keep detailed records of your travel expenses, maintenance and repairs, as well as any business expenses. These records will help you accurately calculate your tax liability and ensure you are maximizing your deductions. Furthermore, it's essential to know the deadlines for filing your tax returns. As an RVer, you might need to file in multiple states if you have earned income or spent a significant amount of time in other states. Proper planning and organization of your finances throughout the year will make tax season less overwhelming. Always consult with a qualified tax professional or accountant who specializes in RV tax matters. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure you adhere to all relevant tax laws and regulations. In conclusion, filing taxes as a full-time RVer requires careful attention to detail, knowledge of specific deductions, and proper record keeping. Understanding the tax implications and seeking professional advice is crucial to ensure compliance and maximize tax benefits. Thank you for joining us on the Daily RV Life channel. We hope you found this information helpful in navigating the complex world of tax filing as a full-time RVer. Until next time, happy travels. Sincerely, the Daily RV Life team.